tuning day.
Very foggy in here too.
Oh, we're getting the car tuned. Oh, we're getting the car tuned. Oh, guess what that is? Tuning day. Yeah. Turn this down. Yeah. If you couldn't tell already, ladies and gents, it's tuning day. Pulsar's getting tuned, baby. I genuinely can't wait. It has been painful driving this without boost. So, we are off now, driving off to Horsham Developments to get this thing tuned. I don't know if I'm going to get it back today, hopefully, but we're going to drop this off, pick up my Z, and then I'm hoping go back today and get it. It's been road tuned. Reason why? Horsham Developments don't have a all-wheel drive dyno, because although like they specialise in GTRs and 350s, it was creeping a bit, 370s and stuff, there's not like Skylines GTRs. You can just disconnect like a fuse and it becomes two-wheel drive. You can't do that on this because it's mechanical. It's creeping a bit, isn't it? Always looking out for stuff on this car, making sure it doesn't blow up. Because it costs so much money, which you guys will find out soon, because once it's all paid for, we'll give you the rundown on how much this motherfucker costs. Anyway, let's go to Horsham Developments. Just filled up about 3/4 of a tank, Shell V powered 99 octane, ready to go. Some of that will be leaking on the floor because we've got a gas tank leak, but whatever. Is what it is, I guess. Good drive so far. Got stuck behind some absolute slow pokes, and then what you would have seen was some guy just pulled out right in front of me and stayed like 10 miles an hour. Top marks. Anyway, onwards to Horsham. Hello ladies and gents, you join me in my 370Z. It's nice. I do like this car. So, Pulsar's dropped off. Not much to show you, just spoke to Jez, just trying to talk through what's going to happen. He's going to raise the front end, do an alignment, do the oil change, and then take it out for tuning. Hopefully it'll be tuned today. The Z's back, the Z is fixed. The front end problem was a problem. It wasn't in my head. It wasn't. There was a bolt missing from the coilover. It worked itself loose. Not sure how. Very odd. Basically, it allowed the coilover. It allowed free play on the suspension. So no wonder it felt bad, because it was, you know, when it was moving, it was legit actually moving up and down. So not good. Anyway, I'm going to take this car home and enjoy driving this. Need to fill it with fuel because the fuel's completely empty. So that's fun. I need to fill it with fuel. And then I'll kind of catch up when I know more about the Pulsar, because I don't know what's going on with it yet, whether I'll be able to get it back today or not. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that thumbs up button, and we will meet up un momento when we got the Pulsar back, hopefully. Oh, hello, ladies and gents. We're in the Pulsar. So, updates. Let me give you some updates on the Pulsar. So, it's a lot. It's fucking expensive. I'm literally just pulling away in it now. It's running about 1 bar of boost. It's maxed out on everything, so I need bigger injectors. It's probably running about 300 horsepower, basically, because it's been road tuned. You guys know that. It's been raised. It's had the alignment was way out, so that's crap. Apparently, it's good fun. About 280, 300 horsepower. It's maxed out on the airflow. Air's maxed out. and it's basically just maxed out. So it needs bigger injectors, it needs an airflow meter and a fuel pump to make more power. I think I'm going to run this, see how I go, because to do all of that will probably be about $1,000, but it might be worth it because it might push it to about 350, 400 horsepower ish. We don't know, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm just driving away now. I'm just sort of, oh God, yeah, wow, it's keen, it's keen. It's very keen. Oh, this is good. Right, okay, so I think what we'll do, I want to give you guys some reactions, because this is basically the first, this is like picking it up. Jesus. There's 2 maps, high and low boost, but I want to give you guys some reactions because I've not driven it yet, have I? So this is like brand new for me. It's popping. Do you hear that? I love this car. I've dropped my Z off. I need to go back and get that tomorrow. So that'll be fun. Let's give it some welly. Wow, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's quite fast. That's quite fast. Third gear was a bit of a pain to find. Jez said give it some welly, like really boot it around. It's had its oil change, everything like that. But he said definitely give it some welly. I need to test it. Really, put it through its paces. It's going to go up on the ramp tomorrow, just to check things over. They're really good. Lovely light. That's cinematic. Wow, that's only $3,000. Oh, wow, this is going to be fast. But they're really good. Strongly recommend them. I've never had them build an engine before, but I recommended them for other things. And I don't think they charged me for the Z, which is very good. So anyway, I'm going to link up with you when I'm on the motorway. I'm going to keep recording, give you some reactions, and then I'm just going to tell you my thoughts once I've gone home. All right? All right. Those brakes are bad. I need to sort them brakes out. That could have been an accident. Wow, does it sound good? I've also got half a tank of fuel. So let's see how much I have when I get home, because that will be interesting. Steering is so much better now it's had the alignment. Apparently it was way off. But yeah, steering is so much better. The person who did the steering last, whatever, they didn't do it. This thing's great. It really wants to spool quite quickly. God, those brakes are shit. tell you, it's so nimble with the steering. Now that alignment's been fixed, it is very nimble. Very, very nimble. It felt awful before. This is great. It's a bit lumpy. It's so good. Wow, is it fast? Need to fix this door. That's £5 grand. Wow, this is quite fast. It feels really fast. The revs, it feels really fast. Wow. So I'm going the back roads home because I really want to push it around corners and stuff. And thrash it, like get up through the gears and high revs, basically. There's a lot of grip. There's a lot of grip. I've got Pilot, I've got Michelin Super Sport 3s or something like that on it. The best I could get for this rim size. It just feels so quick, but I'm not. Like I'm only up like to £3 grand now. Like I'm not going that fast. I'm doing 60 miles an hour, but it feels fast. It's a really small package. Wow, we are going to have a lot of fun with this car. I'm going to go. There's enough reactions there. I'm going to get home, and then I'm going to let you know what I think. Wow. Well, holy shit. This car is amazing. I love this car. Speechless. Like, it's not perfect, of course it's not, but it's really fun. It's lumpy again. It's interesting. Gotta tell Jez about that. It's a weird lump. It is, it's searching. I can see the boost. Weird. Anyway, you don't need to know this. Well, you do actually, technically. This car is really, really fun. So much fun. Not perfect. Very tight. Very nimble. Yeah. It redlines at £7.5 grand. I didn't get anywhere close to that. It's a fast little machine. Very, very fun. I'm gonna love driving this car around this summer. This basically replaces the Z as my daily driver, which I'm really looking forward to, actually. It's really creeping. 12, 14, yeah, it's creeping. Gotta tell Jez. Tunes, I don't know what's going on with it. Very odd. Anyway, great. Hit that thumbs up button, hit subscribe, smash like, share it. There's so many more videos happening with this car. Loads of stuff happening. Yeah, we're definitely need to get that big brake kit on ASAP. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Loads happening now because it's tuned. Loads happening now because it's tuned. And actually we'll be revealing how much it cost, which is a lot more than I expected. Like, I'm talking a lot more. It's no longer anywhere near the cheapest in the country. It was at the time, nowhere near now. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Take care.